it's been 15 days without a fully functioning 360 camera, and it's been 13 days since I talked with Insta360 on the mobile app, the service support part of it, to ask what I should do. And you can see more about that on the video just up here. So here's the update. I shipped this out to Hong Kong on my earliest opportunity, which was June 25th at a $52 cost on Express Courier with New Zealand Post. It actually got to the office of Insta360 in Hong Kong on June the 29th, so not bad New Zealand Post, but curses, the office was closed that day and it didn't actually make it to their office until a whole 3 days later on Tuesday, July the 2nd. So then I get an email from Insta360 telling me that Hong Kong wasn't actually the final destination for my precious. It actually needed to go to their repair center in Shenzhen in China. I was pretty puzzled. Did anybody else know about this? That for repairs, that Insta360 send their cameras across the border to Shenzhen in China? If you did, let me know in the comments. But if this is new information to you, please let me know in the comments as well. I'm really curious as to whether you knew about this or not. And while you're here, if you like this video, please consider liking it and even think about doing a subscription. That would be great to see you back here. Anyway, the last meaningful communication I got from Insta360 was on July the 2nd. And apart from their please be patient emails, they say that they aim for a 7 to 15 day turnaround between receipt, assessment and repair. So let me add that up. It's taken a week for my camera to get to them, plus say 15 days for the repair to get done, and then at least another week for it to get back to me. That's 4 weeks without my camera. I tell you, I've been getting withdrawal symptoms so bad I've been looking at the second-hand market. Now here in New Zealand, the limited 360 camera market doesn't really make for much choice in the second-hand market. So the best I could find for sale second-hand here was the Xiaomi Mi Sphere and a lot of GoPro Fusions. And for a few mad minutes there, my finger was hovering over the auction site buy button. I nearly bought a GoPro Fusion. I'm not sure I'm going to make it to 4 weeks. And I'm grateful that I can get a repair for about half the cost of what it would cost me to buy a new Insta360 One X. But man alive, it's taking a long time. God knows what kind of replacement my itchy auction finger might buy in the meantime. Late last night, I even considered, wait for it, and don't hate me for this, right? A Nikon key mission. Okay, I know you like me a little less possibly than you did beforehand, but I'd like to make it clear that I didn't actually buy the key mission. Only another 2 weeks to hold on. Wish me luck. Cheers and go well.